The motorcycle chain guard or chain cover have a two purpose. The first one, the safety of the rider, and the second one, the safety of the chain. But why few motorcycles have half cover and full cover chain guard? So what is the difference between these two? Before I'm talking about the full cover and half cover chain guard, you must know about the type of chain using in motorcycles. Mainly three types of chain using in motorcycles: the standard or non-seal chain, and O-ring chain, and X-ring chain. So what is the difference between these three chain and how they related to chain guard? So first one, standard or non-seal motorcycle chain. A standard or non-seal chain is exactly what it sounds like, a regular old roller chain made up of interconnected links. The chain is most often found on older bikes that predate the arrival of O-ring and X-ring chains. Some of these bikes can only run with non-seal chains. Non-seal chains have no integral lubrication, so they require the most maintenance, cleaning, lubing, and adjusting. Otherwise, they would not last very long. So that's why standard or non-seal chain have fully covered chain guard, because maintaining these types of chain is a little bit difficult. The second one, the O-ring motorcycle chain. O-ring chain, as the name suggests, that features small O-rings that are fitted into the space between the outside link covers and inside the roller covers of every chain link. This O-ring ensures that the factory applied grease stay inside the pins and between the plates. This ensures that the chain remains well lubricated and also helps to stop dirt, grit, and other contaminants from getting into the links. When contaminants do get in between the moving parts of a chain, friction from the abrasive surface will cause chain wear. That dramatically shortens the life of the chain as well as the sprockets. As bikes become bigger and more powerful, O-ring chain suspend as a standard non-seal chain. So third one, the X-ring motorcycle chain. The O-ring chain seems great to everyone, at least until the supercharged environment of the racetrack exposes its weakness. When the large surface area of the O-ring presses against the pins and covers, it creates a certain amount of drag, which in turn creates a loss of speed. So the race gears created an X-ring chain with a smaller surface area in contact with the pins and covers. Drag is reduced and speed is increased, all while keeping the chain beautifully lubricated. Now, unless you are desperately trying to shave a tenth of a second off your lap time, there is not much between the O-ring and the X-ring chains. O-rings are cheaper and offer identical lubrication. X-rings offer slightly better performance and longevity, but come with heavy price tag. So these three types of chain is directly related to chain cover or chain guard. Next one, the advantage and disadvantage of full cover chain guard. The first one, to protect the cloth from the dirt and oil in the chain. The second one, protect chain from the dust, mud, and water in the road. Third one, chance to splash oil from the chain to other parts of the motorcycle like wheels, tire and swing arm. Fourth one, safety of the pillion rider. Without full chain cover, chance to stuck the cloth or shoes inside the chain. So that is the dangerous one. The fifth one, cleaning the chain is little bit difficult, because if you need to clean the chain, you must remove the full cover or fully covered chain guard. No need to continuous cleaning like half cover chain guard. So another problem of the fully covered chain guard, if any problem to the chain, we can't find it directly, because we need to remove the chain guard. After that, we can see what happened to the chain. So the last one, the fully covered chain guard is using for non-seal or standard chain. The next one, the advantage and disadvantage of half cover chain guard. The first one, pillion cloth and shoes will stuck in the chain, because the chain guard is only half, so the chance to stuck your shoes or clothes inside the chain. The second one, weight reduction. Fully covered chain cover is heavy compared to the half cover. The fully covered chain guard is heavy, and the old motorcycle and the new motorcycle is came with the metal parts, so the fully covered chain guard is must heavy. The third one, without a chain guard, bike looks sexy. The all new modern motorcycle have a half chain guard, and they are using O-rings or X-ring. Most of the motorcycle using O-ring chain, so the half cover chain guard is look like amazing. The fourth one, so the cleaning the chain is very easy, because we don't need to remove anything. Fifth one, easy to find the problem of the chain. The main disadvantage of the chain using without chain guard, the proper fully covered chain guard, there is anything happen to the chain. If the chain is broken, there is chance to stuck inside the wheels. So you must take care your chain every time. Next one, a little bit difficult to maintain the chain if the raining time. Must we need perfect wash and perfect cleaning and perfect lubing. So that is the main importance of the half cover chain guard with chain. So the last one, the half cover chain guard is using in O-ring and X-ring chain using motorcycles. So this is all about what is the difference between the half cover chain guard and fully covered chain guard, and the type of chains using in motorcycles. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Until then, ciao.